How to fix WhatsApp status download problem. If you're having this issue where you are not being able to download the status that you uploaded or have added in inside of WhatsApp, the first thing that you need to ensure is that your internet connection is stable. If you're currently on a Wi-Fi network, you can also try switching to a cellular data. What you'll also need to ensure is that your device or the phone that you're using has sufficient storage. If your phone does have a sufficient storage, then what you can also try out is try to restart your phone. So just tap and hold the power button on your phone and then restart it. Sometimes restarting your phone also can help in solving these sort of issues. What you can also try out is try to clear the WhatsApp cache. So just head over to the WhatsApp, tap and hold the app, and then head over to this eye icon. From this settings page, you'll be able to see the option called storage. Right here, you can just tap on the clear storage, clear cache option. After you do this step, what you can also check out if there are any new updates available for WhatsApp. If you do see new updates available, you can just tap on the update button and make sure that this application is up to date. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix the WhatsApp status download problem. If this kind of video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.